Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in our second drawing lesson, we will be learning how to draw a cute animal. So first, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go like, share and subscribe my channel. And now get ready with your pencil, eraser and a paper. Let's get started. First, you choose an animal you want to draw. It can be a puppy, a kitten, a bunny, or any other cute animal that you like. So, I'm going to draw here a cute bunny. Start by drawing the animal's head. Draw a circle for the head. And two circle for the, not a two circle, you can draw an oval shape here for the ears. So like this, you can draw the ear. To draw the body of animal, you make sure you leave enough space below the head. Curved lines, or you can draw kind of oval here. Now I'm going to draw a hand. Our bunny's hand is ready. Now we will draw her paws. For that you can draw two oval shape here. Make three small circles inside it. Now I'm going to draw rabbit's face. For face we will make a eyes, nose. You can make the eyes big and round to make the animal looks extra cute. So it's the eyes, the nose. Now I will draw a carrot here. Now add detail to the face. So now your bunny is ready. To make her extra cute, you can draw the bow here. Now I am going to make an outline with the black marker. Now erase any unnecessary lines and add color to the animal. Use coloring materials to add color to the animal. You can use any colors you like. I am going to erase lines. Ta-da! Great job! You have successfully drawn a cute animal. Feel proud of yourself and show off your artwork. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and try drawing different animals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and textures. Drawing can be fun and relaxing. Keep on drawing. Thank you for joining me today. Let's meet in the next lesson.